caused by the absorption of light radiation from the visible region and ultraviolet region. It is a study of chemical reaction. It can be initiated by the absorption of light energy. For example, we consider a molecule at ground state to excited state finally formed a products. For example, we consider electromagnetic radiations induced to the excitation and relaxation of the molecules at metal state. We are considering two ways: action of light and chemical reaction. Action of light induces the chemical changes induced light reactions. Chemical reaction in between the chemiluminescence. It induces three types: heat, electricity, and electromagnetic irradiation of light energy. Here we discuss about two laws of photochemistry. First law, Grotthus-Draper law and Stark-Einstein law. Grotthus-Draper's law. It can be considered as only those radiation which are absorbed by reacting substances or systems responsible for the chemical changes inducing the respective systems. According to the law, light radiance begins the chemical reaction sum or increases the kinetic energy of molecule by the same reactions. Next we discuss about the topic is Beer-Lambert's law or Beer's laws. When a monochromatic light of radiation is passed through a solution of absorbing medium, the rate of decrease in the intensity of radiation with thickness of absorbing medium is directly proportional to the intensity of incident radiation and concentration of the solution. Log 10 1 I by I naught is equal to minus epsilon Cx. I naught is nothing but it is the initial intensity before the passing absorption medium. I is nothing but intensity after passing absorbing medium. X means thickness of absorbing medium and epsilon is molecular existence coefficient. We consider a light source of sample material. It passes through the lens second one to monochromator filter. Finally passed through the sample cell by detector. Finally we get a reading of quantum field. We consider a metal of ground state from S0 to S1 state, S1 to S2. Excited single state from the vibration energy levels. In between internal conversion due to the delayed fluorescence to phosphorence. In between interpassing system up to triplet state to single state. Next one, photophysical process. If the absorbed radiation is not used to cause a chemical change, it is re-emitted light of larger wavelength. They uses three types of process: fluorescence, phosphorence, and chemiluminescence. And this first process, fluorescence. The light absorbed may be re-emitted almost instantaneously. In one or more steps, this phenomenon is known as fluorescence. Fluorescence is different when compared to phosphorence. For example, we consider cool rings. Phosphorence. The emission in fluorescence ceases with the removal of source of light in this phenomenon is known as phosphorence. Chemiluminescence. The emission of light in chemical reactions at ordinary temperature is called as chemiluminescence. It is just the reverse of photochemical reaction. At last, significance of photochemical process: from atmospheric to astrophysical chemistry. Second one, photosynthesis. Third one, lasers, solar energy. We considering the example of photosynthesis reaction. Carbon dioxide reacts with water in the presence of sunlight. It gives CH2 molecule and oxygen molecule. Semiconductor etching, biological damage, skin cancer, etc. Vision, biochemistry, chemical dynamics. Let us today we share about the topic is law of photochemistry, photochemical reactions and its types. Thank you.